Alright guys, so we're back now for another Premium Signals review video. So every single week I'm going to be doing these videos, whether we have positive weeks or negative weeks, just to keep it transparent with you guys. So this week was March 14th through the 19th. We had 6 trades go out, 3 of them were wins. We do count the break-evens as wins because those are not losses. Total pips was minus 40, total percentage gain was -5. So as you can see, we had a losing week here, minus 5.5%. I'm going to run through all the trades. We had USD Chf, which we did give out in the beginning of the week. The before shot, as you can see here, this is where we had entered. A bit of a tight entry here. And then the after shot here, we had closed this one because right after entry, it did shoot down. Didn't reach our 1-to-1, so I don't move stops to break even until after 1-to-1. Those instructions are posted inside of the Telegram chat. So I didn't move stops to 1-to-1. Price started to shoot up, so I closed it at minus 10. That was minus 0.66%. So that one we did close in a loss. Then we had USD Chf. I entered in again on this one because it was setting up for a nice sell. So got into it a little bit later on. This was actually, I believe, not during the live session, but this one ended up into some profits. We did shoot down, was able to secure over 1% on this one, so was able to recover the losses on the first one. Then we had an Aud Cad Buy. This one we had come in at right here at the bottom. It did shoot up into profits, and we had instructed to move stops to break even, and then it did come back down. Was a very high risk trade being at the bottom of this downtrend right here, which is why we moved stops so early. So that one was a break even trade. Then we had this gold sell, which was my main trade for the entire week. This trade got murdered by the FOMC meeting, but I was able to personally capture a little bit of profits. We sold the top here following this large wick, had a little bit of break of structure here as well. On the 30-minute time frame, looking at the after shot, we can see that we did get into some profits. Price did shoot down over 1-to-1, so we did get into quite a bit of profits on this one. Had instructed to move stops to break even, and then price shot up in the FOMC meeting. So I did mark this as being 0 pips or 0% based on how we called it in the chat. Then we had this gold trade that we got absolutely robbed on. We had entered falling into this level. Price did go directly to our stop loss right here and ended up shooting up to our target. So we got stopped out, which is okay. You know, we're in the right sentiment, but we did get stopped out. And then we had this Euro USD. I put in a sell limit or buy limit on this one, entered right around this area. Again, price reached about 1-to-1. I didn't instruct to move stops to break even though. So this I do count as a loss. So overall for the week, guys, we had 3 out of 6 wins. The break-even ones I'm counting as wins. Total pips -40, total gain -0.5. So had a losing week this week, guys. In the chat, we did give out some good trade ideas. If I were to, let's see if I can go back into the Telegram. Did give out some good analysis in here because, as always, guys, we are giving out the analysis as well. Had this Euro Cad Buy that played out really well that we posted, and also had this NZD Chf sell, which posted pretty well, just didn't enter on those. So again, every single week we're going to continue to put out the updates from this. As you can see, all the way from last week, I'll bring this up, what the results were from March 7th through March 12th. We have the results from this week posted, and I'm gonna have all of this inside of the Teachable course. That way, you guys can see all of the results. I'll post the link below on YouTube, so you have a link directly to this document, which shows the results on every single week, pretty much. So you guys can run through this. I'll go ahead and clean this up a little bit. After the video, you will see a scroll through of the Telegram chat. This is exactly how we give the entries with the buy and sell and everything. So you will see exactly this. And yeah, I hope you guys, you know, see what we're trying to do here. We're trying to be as transparent as possible. We're trying to get better trades out there and higher risk reward. And we will, and as we do, the results will speak for themselves here. We've had some monster weeks in the past, obviously, so we want to continue to put together those results so you guys can obviously benefit from the service. So yeah, tomorrow we'll have our Sunday Market Blitz at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. All of our free analysis will be posted in there as well. If y'all have any questions, just hit me up in Telegram or Discord, and I hope you guys enjoy your Saturday evening over here in the U.S. I'm over in Florida, so Saturday evening or morning, wherever you guys are at. And as always, thank you so much for all the support.